powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Philips 4300, both super-automatic espresso machines. Where should we start?
Let's talk about drinks. The Philips boasts 8 coffee varieties, while the De'Longhi lists 6 one-touch recipes. But the De'Longhi specifically mentions iced coffee, which is interesting. Does the Philips do that?
Good point. The Philips doesn't explicitly say iced coffee, but it does have LatteGo, their milk frothing system. So you could probably make iced lattes pretty easily. I mean, the De'Longhi has a traditional milk frother.
Ah, the LatteGo. That's a big difference. The Philips promises easy cleaning, like rinse it under the tap in 15 seconds easy. The De'Longhi mentions dishwasher-safe parts, which is good, but perhaps not as quick for daily cleaning.
True. And the Philips has an AquaClean filter, meaning you supposedly don't need to descale for up to 5,000 cups. That sounds amazing. The De'Longhi. Well, it comes with a descaler, so you'll definitely be descaling.
Descaling is the worst. What about the grinder? Both have built-in burr grinders, but the De'Longhi has 13 settings, and the Philips has 12. Is that one extra setting a game changer? Probably not.
Probably not. I think the biggest thing is the Philips uses ceramic grinders, which they say are good for at least 20,000 cups. The De'Longhi just says conical burr grinder, so maybe the Philips grinder is more durable?
Possibly. Okay, size-wise, the Philips is a bit bigger, at 10 DX 15 inches WX 17H, while the De'Longhi is 17.32, DX 9.45, WX 14.17H. So the Philips is wider and taller, but the De'Longhi is deeper.
And weight. The De'Longhi is heavier at 20.8 pounds versus the Philips at 18.26 pounds. Does that extra weight translate to better build quality, or just more stuff inside?
Hard to say. The Philips has a TFT touch display, which sounds fancy. The De'Longhi has a colored touch display, so similar, I guess. User profiles? The Philips lets you save your customized recipes, which is nice for multiple users. I don't see that mentioned on the De'Longhi details.
Oh yeah, that's a good feature. And, the Philips has a higher rating based on customer reviews. 4.1 stars compared to no reviews for the De'Longhi. Okay, I think the Philips wins. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.